Hey there, people. Oh, let's go scrapping, but today I got a more positive attitude, okay? We're gonna load this little shit up. Today we're not working for friggin' beer money, we're gonna fucking work for gas money. So I should have a good 15 bucks of gas. We'll go scrapping, and we'll see what happens from there. Right on, motherfuckers. God, this. Oh boy. She just barely started, fuck. Be lucky to make it to the gas station. Very lucky. Of course we got the red light. But yeah, positive attitude, fuck. Let's go get some real scrap tonight, man. We're gonna fucking blow it. I'm gonna bust that scale tomorrow, fuck. The truck's gonna be so fucking full. I'm gonna break a couple leaf springs. And yeah, there we go. Fuck, gas station, man. Let's go to the fucking gas station, man. Right on. We made it to the gas station. So far, so good. There's a buddy that doesn't want to be on YouTube. Fuck you. I put you on YouTube anyway. YouTube boy. I guess I'll wash my YouTube window. Yeah. Where am I facing here?
Video Beaver Bert and upload it right away, and I'll go home and watch it.
Beaver Burton?
Bert, B-E-R-T.
Bert. Fuck, you should watch my windshield. I've seen you do car washes.
Yeah. All you gotta do is ask, bud. Here, I'll get it for you. Yeah? Yeah.
That's why you get paid the big bucks, everybody?
No bucks. Here, I'll get it for you, knuckle. This is what you do.
That's why you get paid the big bucks. I don't know how you do it.
Planning on doing? Put me on YouTube?
No, I'm just fucking around. I'll let you know if you do end up on there, though. I'll let you know if you do end up on the
Bert, man.
Beaver Bert. I like it. Beaver Bert's keeping the windshield clean.
Shitty job on your windshield. See you, buddy.
Hey, it's clean. Okay, Beaver Bert.
See you later, bud.
No Hortons today. See, I come out with a positive attitude. We're at the scrapyard right now. Cashed in that little shit I had and got 46 bucks for that. Like a little bar fridge, a fucking hot water tank, and a futon. I don't know if they fucked up, but I'll take it. Okay, let's really get scrapping, boys. Let's do this. Look at this, right at the scrapyard. Just like that. Right on. It's gonna be a good day. See, being positive helps, man. Like as if I found that's right at the scrapyard, like right next door to the scrapyard. Right on. Let's go get more. No Timmy's today. I made myself a home brew. The old instant cafe. A little cheaper than fucking the Hortons. Was it $1.55 for a large double $1.55? That's craziness now. Come on. Make it at home for pennies. What's going on here? What the fuck is that, man? Volcano? What the fuck's going on in there? Huh. Let's get away before it blows up. Forever together. He suggested that I fill that hot water tank with water. I really would have today. I really would have, but my hose is fucking under the snow. So, plus it would have been dishonest. Come on, I'm an honest guy. But seriously, today I would have. Desperado. Let's go get some scrap. Anything? Nothing. Seems like the richer neighborhoods, you never see any fucking fridges or stoves or nothing. It's always the poor neighborhoods that throw stuff out. I guess the big shots, they pay somebody to take it away as they buy a new shit. I don't know. See, if I was really dishonest, look at all the metal in here. Nobody's around. But you know what? I don't believe in heaven or hell, but just in case, I'd rather go to fucking heaven than hell, because we're already in hell. You know what? I take that back. We're not in hell. Life's a wonderful thing. All those women out there, come on. Can't ask for much more than that. Come on, come on, come on. Okay, Lucky Street. Come on, Lucky Street. What do we got here? Yeah. Like it. I like it a lot. Yeah. There we go, positive attitude, man. Positive fucking attitude. Get some more. Yeah! I was wondering if you guys can do me a little favor. Go sub MsBurpy. You won't regret it. Well, she's having a little contest. She's giving away a MsBurpy hat. And she's living in Australia, and she's willing to fly anywhere in the world to come and deliver the hat. But yeah, please go sub her, man. You won't regret it. She's got some funny fucking shit out there. Right on. Scrapping. Oh yeah, I forgot. Yeah, if you guys actually do go sub MsBurpy, can you tell her I sent you? I really want that hat bad. I just want the visit. That'd be crazy. Check her out, man. Seriously. She's like me, but with boobs. Big boobs. Oh yeah, the washer. Yeah, baby. Good old heavy washer. Gotta like that. Let's get that bastard loaded. Well, they must have just put that out because it's still full of water. Whew. Fuck, that's... I don't know, man. I don't get paid enough for this shit. This street's gotta be lucky, come on. It's gotta be lucky. I must be lost. Never seen this sign in Sudbury before. Like, I've been living here all my life, and like, seriously, where the fuck am I? I'm lost in Sudbury. Help! Wow, my day's going better than I thought. Got my radio working again. It just stopped. But it sounds like shit still, but at least it's working. A little Zeppelin. Even though it sounds like shit, it's still Zeppelin, man. Hell yeah. Well, Marcel Street didn't produce. That's okay. Did alright today. Probably got 50 bucks, I guess, maybe. One last street. And it's a dead-end street. Forget it. Well, that's pretty funny. The radio only worked for Zeppelin. Super score. Right down the street from my house. Yeehaw! Matching set. Oh yeah, see? Positive motherfucking attitude, eh? That's all you need. Well, that's a bit better. Call that a full load. Right on. Cool. Well, I was having an awesome day. You guys see anything missing? Somebody fucking stole my shelvador fridge. Fucking bastards. It's probably those fuckers. One of the brothers, he's a scrapper. Fucking bullshit. Steal my fucking shelvador fridge. Jesus fucking Christ. Just because I was having an awesome day. Jesus fuck. Let's go see if the old lady's seen anything. For fuck's sakes.
Thank you for the ginger.
No, did you see anybody in their yard?
No, why?
Shelvador is gone.
What?
Shelvador, my fridge is gone.
Shut up!
Somebody stole my fucking fridge.
Are you kidding me?
I'm not kidding you.
It was out there when you left.
Well, it's not there when I came back. You didn't see nothing.
I was in here the whole time. I didn't see nothing.
Just chilling some beer, and we're gonna go up and have a beer with neighbor Dave. Well, let's go end our day with the happiest guy in the world, neighbor Dave. Oh, neighbor Dave's got mail. Neighbor Dave. Neighbor Dave. What's going on, brother?
Nothing. What's going on with you?
I'll go. Well, that turned out to be a pretty good day. Overall, I should say. Started off fucking awesome. Fucking awesome. The old bottle opener's not out of date yet. Cheers. Yeah, it was an actually very, very good day. Till obviously when I got home and my old buddy Shelvador was gone. Bastard. I think I know who did it. You know, my fucking bullshit neighbor is there. Well, his son's a scrapper. So, they know my schedule. I leave at the same time every fucking day to go scrapping. And, I don't know, I guess I shouldn't accuse before I know, but somebody's got my shelvador. It's okay. I'm gonna call the scrapyard tomorrow and figure this out. You don't see a fridge like that every day. Unless they didn't scrap it, but whatever, fuck. Should have sold it when I had the chance. Somebody offered me $200 for it and I said no, it's not enough. Greedy pants. Greedy pants. Anyway, life goes on. Life goes on. Anyway, people, cheers. À la prochaine.